Do you also want to create animated videos like this, or this, but think it's too complicated? Then this video will blow your mind. Because in today's video, I will teach you how to create such videos, from writing the script to generating images, creating animation, and even adding music and sound effects, step by step only using AI. So the first thing we want is a good idea for story, whether it's horror, emotional, or a moral story. We will use ChatGPT for doing this. Just open it and start writing a detailed prompt. You have to specify the type of story you want to create, like I am doing a moral story, and the tone you're aiming for, which will help AI to generate better ideas. See, it has provided us a lot of topics. You can pick one of them, or you can also ask it to generate more. If you don't like any of them, once you have the fantastic story idea, it's time to flesh it out and create a complete script for the video. If you are in US or UK, you can use Claude.ai because it is only available in those regions till now. Otherwise, you can use ChatGPT, just like me. Start writing the prompt by giving a role of story writer to AI. After this, tell about the idea of the story and make sure that the tone should be conversational and friendly. See, it has generated a detailed script. By the way, I love the way AI has generated the storyline. You can apply the same formula to Claude too. I am referring to Claude again and again because I personally think that it's better than ChatGPT for doing creative work. Now, as we have our story, it's time to generate the images. For generating images, we will once again use AI, so the prompts will play a crucial role. We will ask ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and write the detailed prompts for generating images for each scene of the story. See, it has generated the high potential prompts. Just copy them and let's move to the next part of the video, where we will generate the images. You can use any tool like Midjourney or Adobe Firefly, but I will use Leonardo AI. When you sign into Leonardo for the first time, you will have to join the Discord and have to wait for 8 to 10 hours to get the permission for generating the images. Once you have got the permission, click on AI Image Generation. On the top left, you will see the token limit. It will refresh after every 24 hours, so make sure to use them carefully. Below that, you can see the option to choose the number of images you want to generate from each prompt. The more images means more tokens will be used. So my advice is to select 2 images from each prompt, which will be enough for you, and a lot of tokens will also be saved. Scroll down and you will see the option of input dimensions. Here you have to select the aspect ratio, which is 16:9 for long-form content. Now just start pasting the prompts we had generated using ChatGPT. Mention in prompt that you want to generate Pixar art and high-quality images. Here you will also have the option to select the type of image. You can experiment with Leonardo Diffusion and Dream Shaper, which are really good for generating images for animated videos. If you don't like something in the image, you can give a negative prompt so that AI can modify it. Once you have generated all the images, it's time to give them a motion. Before that, keep one thing in mind, that we are making these videos for small kids, not for the adults. So there is no need for high-level animation. A simple animation can do well if the story has enough potential. We will use multiple tools for generating animation. First one is runway.ml. Just open it and click image to video option and then upload your image. It will take a few seconds and it will be uploaded. Here you will see this option, click on it, and you will be able to adjust the magnitude of motion. Keep that on 8, because if you increase or decrease it too much, the results will not be so impressive. After this, click on generate and in a few seconds, you will literally see magic, because the results will really shock you, just like me. You can also increase the duration of animation by clicking on extend. Once you are satisfied, download it. The second tool is Leapix. When you open it, you will see this type of interface. Here you have to upload the image. It will take a few seconds and your animation will be ready. You can also change the animation length, amount of animation, and many more. Experiment with different features and find the best for your editing style. There is another tool called Animated Drawing. You can also check it out for character animation. As our script and animation is ready, it's time for sound designing and generating audio. You can use any tool for this purpose like 11 Labs, Lovo.ai, or Descript, but I will use Murph.ai, which is my favorite. Open Murph.ai and create a blank project. On the top left, you will see the option of selecting character for audio. Make sure that you choose the character according to the story.
Like for horror, you should choose a different character
from the moral story.
Now just paste the script we had generated using ChatGPT. There is also a feature of choosing more than one voice by clicking on the ad block and choosing a different character. This way you can easily generate audio. You must know that what matters most is audio quality, because a good audio can hook viewers throughout the video, even if the visuals are not that good. So background music also plays a very crucial role in sound designing, especially in story videos. You can't just download any music and add in your video. You have to add the music according to what emotions your story is delivering at the moment. Like if there is any type of fear in story, you have to add this type of music. Or if there is something going dramatic on the screen, you can add this. So that audience can connect with the emotions of the story. You can get these musics from many sources. First and most used way is from Pixabay. Just open it and select the music segment and search for whatever you want. Like I want music which shows fear, so I will just search for it. See, there are a lot of options. You can download any of them. The second and easiest way is by searching on YouTube, but make sure to click on Filters and select Creative Commons. You can also explore the YouTube audio library. I personally think it's most underrated way of getting music. Now compile all the elements we have just generated. You can also use sound effects and transitions to make the videos look more professional. Here is the example video I have made using the same process.
Once upon a time, in the cozy town of Willowbrook, 3 friends, Emma, Noah, and Mia, embarked on a grand adventure during their summer break. One sunny afternoon, while exploring Mia's grandmother's dusty attic, they stumbled upon an old, forgotten doll. Its glassy eyes seemed to follow their every move.
Now, if you want to create a faceless YouTube channel, then click the video on the right. Or if you want to create 100 shorts using AI in only one day, then click the video on the left.